Hi, I'm Graham Blackburn. In this episode of Traditional Woodworking by Hand, I'm going to show you how this hole can make you and your wood more secure. Most American and British workbenches come equipped with vices. This particular bench has a face vise where you can secure the wood if you want to plane it like this. And many benches also have a tail vise. Here's a tail vise where you can also secure the wood and take a shaving. But it's an interesting fact that a couple of 100 years ago in France, where much of the finest 18th century furniture was made, many benches didn't have vices. Instead, they had what's known as a holdfast. I'm going to show you a couple of holdfasts. Here is the least expensive, simplest little holdfast you can get. And it works by fitting into a hole that you bore in the bench, and you can secure the workpiece like this, and you simply hammer on the back, and now the workpiece is completely secure. So I can plane it and it doesn't move. It's also very simple to remove. You simply tap the back of it and it comes free. Now you can buy one of these, as I said, inexpensively, and you can bore yourself a series of holes all the way down the bench, just like the old French ebonists and woodworkers used to do, or you can just bore one hole. But there's an irony to boring one hole. No matter how much you think about it, sooner or later you're going to discover that you bored the hole in the wrong place. Never mind, it still works. This is the least expensive one. Here is a better kind of holdfast. This one actually comes with a metal collar that you can sit into the bench, and as you can see, I've bored the hole near my vise, but I could have bored the hole anywhere I wanted. This works a little more easily than this one because all I have to do is to pull this up and turn the screw. And now the wood is... I would move the bench before I moved the workpiece. And as I showed you before, the workpiece is now perfectly secure, whatever I want to do with it. Chisel it or plane it or whatever. So my suggestion is that no matter how many clamps and hand screws or other things you might have, a holdfast is a really simple, efficient way of keeping the workpiece secure. It will make whatever you want to do, chiseling, planing, carving, whatever, it will make it safe. So, thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Don't forget, if you want to learn more handy tricks like this, to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and by all means send in comments, and we'll let you know when the next episode is coming along to make your woodworking easier.